So we're back in the wagon, and George, what did you do that's different from last time?
Timed it.
So timing is set, and George just got on it, and this thing shifted. Can I tell you? Wow, that was unexpected.
It's a fun car. It's a silly car because nobody expects it. I had to reset. I did a bunch of stuff to the fuel injection linkage stuff. I retimed it. Reset the detent cable. So I actually got it back in spec. It was out of spec because the linkage was bending. So buy the right linkage. Key thing in life. Always get the right parts. You know, you'll find a better outcome with the right parts. So, it's still learning. So right now, when I'm letting off the throttle, my AFR is going to like 30. No, I went to 9. So it's trying to learn. Whenever you make changes on the fuel injection, it has to remap, and it's still remapping. But it is running a whole lot better.
I definitely felt the difference when George got on it. This thing shifted out its skin. It was nice.
You got better eyes than me. Is that a cop car?
Doesn't look like it.
Is that a cop car?
That's a motorcycle.
Yeah, so you know what? I'm just going to let you drive it.
All right.
I'm just going to let you drive it and go from there.
And we're not going to be fancy this time. I'm not going to use my little windshield mount, car mount, whatever you want, suction cup mount, because it just goes to shit whenever I try to use it. My fingers get goofy and I hit something I shouldn't, and it's looping when I just want it to record normally. So we're just going to have George hold the camera.
Yeah, we're going to have to actually film the Malibu a third time because we don't have him driving.
What George and Jenna don't know, I keep fucking that up so I get driving again because I really like it.
Ah.
Half-ass hot rod.
Can you hear the cam?
Oh, I hear the cam.
You can hear the cam now. That's how bad I had my timing on. You couldn't hear the cam before.
See, what you guys don't realize, this is the ultimate road trip vehicle right here. So much space. Slash, this would be like the ultimate fishing mobile. You can just throw rods in this thing. There's space.
Dude, camping. You can blow up a twin-size air mattress in here and stretch out. And you actually have enough space to have a headboard in there because it's 8 foot. That's 8 foot from the back of the seat to this tailgate. This car will fit a 4x8 sheet of plywood. It's made to, and it's shown in the advertisement. So, this is a big bitch.
It's a big bitch, and the possibilities are endless. Do a lot. People are like at the stop sign, like, do we go? Alright, I'm gonna hand that to you.
Okay. We're gonna have to go park somewhere for a couple minutes and then stop filming and start filming. Because this is the shuttles for the union workers. They're getting ready to do their shift change.
Alright. So you tell me where we're going.
Go down here. We're gonna have to stop filming because we're getting it at a bad time of the day. The union workers are at a shift change on strike, which is amazing to me. So I don't want to cause any problems because there's going to be a lot of traffic. We're getting a lot of traffic on this road for about the next hour, half hour. Go into settings, go home, tuning, advanced there, advanced fuel. After start fuel, next thing I do the progressive linkage. How do you like the throttle, by the way? Do you notice anything different?
It's a lot more responsive.
Is it?
Yeah.
Softer though?
Yeah.
Did you notice that too?
Yeah.
It's learning. Now this would be the first time I let the car idle for a long period of time. So
I just can't get over how smooth this thing is.
except for that 1-2 shift. That thing will kick you every time.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, obviously it's a shift kit.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that thing is nice.
It kicks hard into second, real hard.
It's like a donkey kick.
It idled too long, so it didn't bark the tires. It normally barks into second. That curve up ahead, but you got one more shot. Give it a second.
I will say the shifts are now
Lots of brakes, lots of brakes.
Phone went down. Man down.
Sharp corner.
Whoa. Thank goodness for this little steering wheel.
He ain't lying.
It is, what is this, a 13 inch? 12, 11? 10?
10? Yeah, I think it's a 10. I got an 8. I can put an 8 on it. If that's too big for you.
No, I'm okay with this one.
You're good? Yeah, I got a classic 8. Superior 500. Get up. That was second gear. You got on it too late. Now he's got some editing. I'm gonna be in trouble.
Oh yeah, I know what to edit out. So are we taking this through?
Yeah, you're gonna back this up. I'm gonna open the door. You can back this up.